Welcome to our lesson about the Lofted Surface tool. Let's begin with a sketch. Activate the Center Rectangle tool. Let's drop it on the top plane. Now let's dimension it. 100 millimeters for the longer dimension, and 40 millimeters for the shorter dimension. Accept and exit the sketch. Let's take an isometric view. Now select the top plane, and let's press down Control on our keyboards and drag upward. This will create an offset plane. We'll offset it by 80 millimeters from the top plane. Now let's create a sketch on our new plane. Right-click, New Sketch. Normal to, and I'll use the Ellipse tool. Right-click and select to close the tool. Let's apply dimensions now and relations. Add a vertical relation here. The major axis will make 100 millimeters. OK, and the minor axis will be 40 millimeters. OK, and let's exit the sketch. Isometric view. And let's hide plane 1. Right-click, Hide. Let's activate the Lofted Surface tool now. Select our first profile and our second profile. The connector display depends upon where you selected the profile. You can drag the connectors to reposition them, or you can clear your selections from the selection window and then simply reselect them in a more appropriate location. Click OK. And here's our loft. Now let's make some changes. Right-click on Surface Loft 1 and edit. On the rectangular profile, we've got 4 snap points for the connectors. We don't have a point to snap to on the elliptical profile, so let's fix this. Let's just click OK. Now let's go back to our sketch. Right-click on Sketch 2 and select Edit. Take a Normal to view. I'm going to use the Split Entities tool. I'll split the ellipse in 4 places. And let's cancel out of the tool. Let's apply some relations and dimensions now. Shift-select, Horizontal. Shift-select these 2 points and add a horizontal relation. Next, I'll use a construction line to connect these 2 points. Right-click, Select. Let's shift-select the origin point and the construction line and add a midpoint relation. Lastly, let's apply dimensions. Smart Dimension. We'll make this dimension 30 millimeters. OK. And we've got a fully defined sketch. Let's exit the sketch. Take an isometric view. Right-click, Edit the loft. We can snap our connector to the point we just created. By the way, if you don't see the point, simply drag your mouse along the perimeter of the sketch and it will be highlighted. When you're done, click OK. And this concludes our lesson about creating a lofted surface.